I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling a precise Google query. This is the only reliable route to find public Drive files. Type site, Drive, Google. Then add file type, PDF or file type docx to limit formats, and put exact phrases in quotes so Google matches content. Once done, exclude noise with a minus sign. Make sure to avoid broad words that return folder listings. This first step narrows results to actual Drive-hosted files, which speeds discovery and reduces irrelevant pages you would otherwise have to sift through. Next, refine using Google's advanced operators so results point to the file you need. Use in title to force matches in file names or in text to target content inside documents, combine terms with or and group them with parentheses to control logic. Once you see results, open Google Tools to filter by date range, which helps when files are recent. Make sure to iterate. Change a keyword, swap file type, or tighten the phrase until the result list yields direct links to Drive files rather than directory views. To finish, click Results and verify each URL is a Drive. Google.com file link, then preview to confirm it's public and relevant. If you hit access errors or many irrelevant listings, broaden or alter keywords, try removing restrictive operators, or expand the date range. Sometimes exact file name fragments return precise hits where generic phrases fail. If nothing appears, double-check spelling and try synonyms. Small wording changes often reveal different indexed pages. Remember, this method finds only publicly indexed Drive files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.